Let's spice up Japan's beloved Fukuoka instant ramen, Umakacchan. Crispy, spicy Sichuan pickles, za sai, paired perfectly with rich tonkotsu. Microwave chicken breast with cooking sake, salt and pepper for 90 seconds. Then mix with sesame oil, chicken stock powder, and garlic. Once the chicken has cooled to the touch, shred it into small pieces. Then add the chopped zatsai and edamame and mix everything together. Umakacchan is a beloved local food in Fukuoka Prefecture. Just add the rich, aromatic pork oil, and it instantly tastes like something from a ramen shop. Pile on your favorite toppings, and it's ready to enjoy. Taste Fukuoka from anywhere in the world. Try it out.